Hello, welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're going to look at percentage of an amount. What do we mean by percentage of an amount? So it means that finding the exact amount a percentage is out of a total amount. So with this we're looking at sales, we're looking at discount, reduction. You want to find out how much. So if a dress says a dress sells at £50 and there is 20% discount or 20% off, we want to find out how much that 20% is out of the £50. Right, so the first thing we're going to look at is the first example that says find 20% of £50. So it means that 20% is an amount out of the £50, but we want to work out to find out how much that 20% is out of the £50. So you can find a percentage of an amount using two approaches, and we're going to look at all the two approaches. The first approach is by finding 10% of 50, that is 5. So to find 10%, just cross out the zeros at the end, and that gives you 5. Since we need 20%, all you have to do is just double 10%. And that gives you £20. So if 10% is 5, if you double that, what would that be? That would be 2 times 10 or 2 times 5, and that gives you 10. And so it means that the 20% sale on that dress is £10. So if you are buying a dress that costs £50 and there's 20% off or 20% discount, it means that you end up paying £40 instead of £50. Another thing we want to look at is off in maths. That we are looking at the second approach in solving that. Off in maths means times or multiply. So you can also work this out using the calculator, and it's very simple. You're going to take 20% on your calculator times 50. Or you can change 20% as a decimal. You remember how we did that? If it's 2 digits, you just write 0.20, or you can divide 20 by 100 times 50, and that gives you £10. So try the second example. Try this on your own. So we have what's 25% of 60. So one easy way, your answer should be £15. You can find 10%, find another 10%, and then you find 5%. If you add 10 to 10 to 5, it gives you 25. Okay, so once you finish finding that, you add all the numbers together, and it should be equals to £15. Very easy. Thanks for watching.